Ready, start. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that on the basis of the aforesaid documents which have been submitted before the respondent authorities, it is evident that the land is in the exclusive ownership of the petitioner's father, Shri Prabhakar Shah, who had given me same to the petitioner on a long lease in terms of the advertisement, and thus the petitioner was entitled to mark that had been originally allotted, and hence the selection could not have been cancelled by the respondent authorities. The protection of the citizen from high handedness at the hands of the law enforcement agencies, on the other, the power and jurisdiction of the court to issue appropriate warrant against an accused on his failure to attend the court on the date of hearing of the matter cannot be disputed. Nevertheless, such powers has to be exercised judicially and not arbitrarily, having regard inter alia to the nature and seriousness of the offence involved, the past conduct of the accused, his age, and the possibility of his absconding. It is urged that if there is any doubt regarding ownership, the petitioner was entitled to produce evidence, oral or documentary, to satisfy the respondents to remove the doubt. It is also contended by learned counsel that while the guidelines provide that the case of the candidates has to be examined on the basis of the documents produced with the application, but only the basic documents, according to him, are required to be filed with the application, and other documents could be submitted for verification of the facts stated in the application. The documents submitted by the petitioner for verification are thus within the guidelines, and the case of the petitioner could not have been rejected on the ground that they have not been filed originally. It is urged that if an explanation is called from a selected candidate, then he must have a stop.